Hi there! Welcome to Ink, Lead, Paper, and Thread. Today I thought it would be fun to do a video on creating my July spread. So my monthly spread. This is the Clever Fox planner. It's the Ultimate Achievers style of planner, and it's the one that is designed to help you achieve your goals. So they give you 4 months in each planner of 4 months of blank calendar pages, and then you can decorate them however you want, which is one of the aspects that I love about the Clever Fox planner, is that you can customize it however you want because it doesn't come with any preset colors or designs. So I think that's really cool. As you can see, I have already cut out some pictures from different magazines and catalogs, and so today I'm going to be using these cutouts to make my my July spread. And I did already use a sticker. You can see it up in the right hand corner. It's that sticker that says July, and I am going to be using some stickers on this spread, kind of like as garnish, just because I have some extremely cute stickers that I want to use, and I do love stickers. But for me, one of the benefits of using these cutouts is that you can like pretty much customize your little pictures to whatever color scheme you want to do. And here I'm doing sort of like a purple and violet color scheme. And so I've chosen pictures that I think go well in that color scheme. And so if you were to use only stickers, yeah, some stickers, they do come like with, most like sticker spread sets do come with like color coordination. But if you have something specific in mind and you want certain images, it might be harder, at least for me, I think it's harder to find exactly what images you want and the colors that you want. And just also, these images that I've cut out, they really make me happy. Everything here just gives me like a really glad feeling, so that when I'm looking at my monthly spread, I'm gonna just feel like this warm, feeling that's gonna make me want to engage more with my planner. And I think that's one of the definite benefits of customizing your planner, is that you just want to engage with it more. So yeah, this is kind of the inexpensive way to do it, just using free catalogs and magazines. And I think, to me, it's important to show that you don't necessarily need stickers to customize, to personalize your planner. There are so many stickers out there, and that's great, but for people who don't want to use them or who maybe can't afford them, and I know I've definitely been in that boat before, where I just can't afford them, because even though they might seem like inexpensive, if a sticker book is like $6, hey, that's $6 that could go toward a meal. So I think it's definitely good to try to find ways to customize without stickers if you can. And so I'm excited to put together this July spread today, and let's see how it turns out. I think I'm excited. So let's go. All right, well, it's all set up. Got this nice purple themed spread. I'm going to be making more videos of future spreads, so if you like these types of videos, please feel free to subscribe. Also, leave me a comment and hit the like button. And that's all for today. So yeah, thanks everyone. Take care. Bye.